Last piece I want to show you here is what happens when you redeploy an RPD. So if we come into our Enterprise Manager console and we take a look at the deployment tab, you'll see here that you have this default RPD. So every time you upload a repository, this is going to increment. So let's go ahead and just upload a repository here. Now you can see here in the background that that has incremented the number for the repository to 12. And we know that the file we have down on the server is actually 11. So what will happen when we go ahead and restart the BI server is that the metadata dictionary won't actually be able to find a reference to the RPD file. And I'm going to show you how to quickly and easily change that after we get restarted here. So on the server, I'm going to switch to our demo metadata directory. And if we do a list here, we can see that the old version of the metadata dictionary is sitting here. If I had made a bunch of changes to my repository, I would obviously want to run the tool in the RPD tool to regenerate this file. But in this case, I know I haven't made any changes. I'm just re-uploading to show what changes when we redeploy this file. So I'm just going to go ahead and change the name on this file to match the repository reference that is created in Enterprise Manager when we re-upload the file. So I know it changed from 11 to 12, so I'm just going to go ahead and rename this. Now if we do a list, you can see that that's renamed. Okay, I've restarted the BI server after uploading a repository, and I come into a subject area and I click metadata, and boom, error 404 not found. Now this is really simple to fix. Okay, so if we come into WebLogic, all we need to do is lock and edit, scroll down to our demo metadata deployment. We want to click update, and really there's nothing to do, the path hasn't changed. Finish. Then after it finishes that, we click activate changes. And now when we come back into our business intelligence instance and start a new analysis, click on our folder, and now you can see that it has repaired itself. So it's just a simple process of clicking that update and finish every time you upload a new file, and the server gets all the references it needs, and your metadata dictionary will work as expected.